just feel lost. You know, one time you have to give up and you have to surrender yourself to the just flow of time. But once it becomes, once you succumb to that flow of time, how are you supposed to break it? How are you supposed to get out of it? How are you supposed to change yourself? How are you supposed to do something to change your life and change the situation once you succumb to it? It's so hard to break out of it that you just become normalized and give up. You've lost your sense of self.
Drop some keys at the top of the tree, at the drop of a tree, yeah. Just focus on me, very obvious, see how I'm losing a dream.
What's wrong with me? Having 7 days, feeling useless in my mind, trapped every day. Drop into a pocket dimension, the haze might just go away with a friend. Fuck it, yeah, I might hit the bucket. Take a march to a better place, till I can die any day. Yeah, I get the diamonds anyway, send you to the nether if you get up in my way. Me and my boys going to the end, they be getting to this paper. Sugar cane growing everywhere. Yo, sugar rush. Oh yeah, rushing down.
Rushing down, loading down like a rushing cream, rushing away,
Run to the bottom, no rainbows, down tracking this track, this tricky yellow move, don't try to watch out, know exactly what it feels like, my life will last like a fan. Drop some keys at the top of the tree, at the drop of a tree, yeah. Just focus on me, very obvious, see how I'm losing a dream.
Yeah, I'm lucid in this dream, yeah, I'm stuck up in this place, and I feel like I'm obscene, no. Yeah, I'm always living, no. So many places that we've never known. Don't feel like I'll ever have a place, so I always make it mine, and I might just a place, yeah. Messing with my team,